Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your laptop runs Windows 11 or you have an Android runtime/emulator ready. Enable virtualization in BIOS so the subsystem can run efficiently. Sign into your Google account and turn on two-factor authentication for safety. Next, install the Android subsystem or a reputable emulator like BlueStacks. Allocate at least 2 CPU cores and 4 GB of RAM. Once done, launch the subsystem and proceed to the Play Store sign-in prompt to start installing apps. You now open the Play Store inside the subsystem or emulator and accept the required permissions so installations can proceed. Search for the apps you need and use compatibility filters to avoid unsupported titles. Make sure to adjust settings in the emulator or subsystem. Increase storage, choose a performance profile, and configure keyboard or controller mapping for better control. Install core apps one at a time and test permissions and notifications after each install. This helps isolate issues and confirms that apps behave like they do on a phone. To finalize, update the Play Store and Google Play services, then restart the subsystem to apply changes. This prevents many runtime errors. Make sure app permissions and notification settings match your needs. If something goes wrong, clear the Play Store cache, sign out and sign back in, or reinstall Google Play services inside the subsystem. These steps resolve most sign-in and download failures. Finally, monitor performance. Lower resolution or CPU allocation if you see overheating or lag, and remember to back up app data regularly to avoid loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.